So I don't know if you guys can see, but we got Ross right there. I saw a video from a YouTuber. His name was Millennial Prophet, and he was making money from Ross selling caps. So I want to see if I can do the same thing and sell caps on eBay. I've done it before, but it's been a while. And I do mostly Amazon now, but let's try eBay. Let's try it out. Let's go and sell it. Got some hats right there too. Some hats on the floor. So right now, I'm barely scanning my first hat on eBay. This one. Somebody's selling it for 10. Another person's selling it for like 19. So it's $9 here, so that's a no-go. But let's continue. Got the first hat I want to try out. This sells for $24 on eBay. There's 3 sales, 3 recent sales. Right there, $24.99. The Ross sticker, $8.99. So I'm gonna give it a try. With my calculations, minus fees, minus shipping, minus buy cost, I'll make around $7. So item 1. It's not the best of profits, but I'm getting back into this eBay thing, so that's a good start. Here's another one, but look at the rim. All dented. Got my second hat already. Arizona Diamondbacks. $9.99. There's no eBay listing, no Amazon listing. But look at that price tag. I haven't found it. Anybody else selling it? There probably are. But from other similar hats, they sell around 30 bucks. So I'm gonna take this one. Hat number 2. This LA Rams hat, I can't find. It's what? How much is it? It's $10.99. So I don't want to chance it since I'm barely getting back into this. So I'm gonna keep looking, see if I find anything good. Well, that's nice, but it's dirty. Right there. Yeah! Check this out. Selling for $8.99. New York Jets. $40 price tag. And there's only one other person selling it on eBay for $29. So, oops. I could come in, lower my price, and get that sold. Let's see if I can find any jackets. This is selling for $75 on Amazon, so I didn't want to chance it for eBay. Not enough meat on the bone. Let's see. So I see there's a Adidas next door. There's always a Ross and a Adidas next door to each other. So I'm gonna check Adidas. I've never seen their hats. Let's see what type of hats they have. This ain't no slam dunks, but we spent 30. I'm saying we'll make about 25, 30. So it's a double up. Let's see what we have at Adidas. There's the hat section. I'm assuming it's all the Ross rejects because there's no good football, basketball hats that I found. Look at that. Cuckoo. Wow, we got another Ross, which we'll probably find some hats because this one's brand new. That Adidas, I've done a video there before. So let's see if Ross has good hats, and Adidas, probably not, but you never know. We'll check it out. Where's the hats? I'm here for the hats. eBay hats. There you are, hats over here. Man, there's not a lot of hats. Jacksonville Jaguars. They had this at the other store. Didn't have any sales on eBay. Man, this is horrible for a new store. What? All right, I'm gonna look real quick. Okay, nobody's selling this one. Well, from the barcode, nobody's selling it. So I'm gonna take that. What is it at? $8.99. Are you out of your mind? No, I'll take it. Try it out. $27.99. I think it sells for like 25, 23. I'm gonna take that. It ain't the biggest profits, but it's still profits. UW. Is that Washington? Or I don't know. I think I'm being followed by a loss prevention guy at Ross. I was filming and I don't know where he's just there. There's another guy walking around. It's all obvious. Damn. So that prevention guy was next to me again. I couldn't leave these behind. $80. I think I pay $16.99, so plus tax. I'll make $25, $26 profit off of 18, but there's 17,000 in clothing. That's a good rank, so I'm not gonna leave that. I don't have enough money to buy this. It's 50 bucks. $300 price tag. Sells for like 150 on eBay. All right, another DD's. Hopefully this is way better. Well, I wanted to make this hat video, but I got some hats at the Ross's, but these DD stores, the hats were not all that good. So no DD's for hats. You know that for the future, whoever's watching this. All right, let's get to work. Got all my hats, my one beanie. This is going on Amazon, so we'll take this, leave it right there. Okay, one. That should be an easy listing right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hats. This is a good video for beginners, people that have never sold on eBay. You can see how you could go out to stores like Ross, source your products, come home, and list them on eBay. So obviously you're gonna want to take off this tag right here and get my scissors. Take it off carefully. And I cut off the tag by accident. I didn't know it was all connected to the one tag, but I'll just put it in the package when I ship it out. So right here, I'm gonna walk you guys through how I take my pictures. I'm gonna take a front picture right there. Let me just try to get the lighting good. All right, front picture taken. There's my tag that came off. I'm gonna take a picture of the back. Let me just try to fix that real quick. Get it nice and flat for the picture. And I'm gonna take my picture and I'm gonna go and use PhotoRoom. Just taking off everything that's on the black so it doesn't come out in the picture. I love PhotoRoom because in my opinion, the picture is gonna come out way better looking than it looks right now. Now I do need some pictures of the tags. There's the Super Mario tag right there. I'm gonna take a picture. All right, trying to get it centered. Got the picture. Now I need that one. I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick. And a picture there, a picture right here. I got all my pictures. So you could list the product with whatever background you want. Me personally, I like white on my backgrounds. I know it ranks better with Google because sometimes your products end up in Google search and Google likes white backgrounds. So what I do, since I don't have a nice white background, I take the pictures however, like this, with any type of background. Then I go into PhotoRoom, I remove all this, and I just leave the product, and it looks really professional with the white background. So for this listing, that's what I'm gonna do. So for doing this, for it not being connected to the product anymore, I came up with a solution. I'm gonna bag this product. I got my heat gun, and I don't have the proper size poly bag, so I could put it in one of these and seal it up. And I'm gonna show you that. This one, this sandwich bag, I'm gonna get the edges because it's folded right there. I'm gonna undo them real quick. See, make it like that. Let's get it on the other side too. All right, now I got it like that. Now I'm just gonna put the product in and seal it up. Check that out, with the heat gun and a sandwich bag. Pretty cool. It looks nice to me. If I got something like this in the mail, I'd be happy. I would have no idea that it was a sandwich bag. In PhotoRoom, I'm gonna go to start from photo at the bottom, I'm gonna choose the photos I want to make the background white. And you see it's working its magic right there. There it goes. Bam! Got a white background. I want to click on classic. That white background has the PhotoRoom watermark at the bottom, but we're gonna take that off later on. So I got my first picture, I saved it. Now I'm gonna do it to the rest of the pictures that I want the background white. There it goes, working its magic. Ta-da! The background's white. Classic right there. Click on it. And I'm gonna save it. Man, I love PhotoRoom. I used to have to buy white cardboard from like Dollar Tree to use as background, and I would always dirty the white background, and I keep buying different backgrounds that are white to get my pictures to look nice. But ever since PhotoRoom came out, I don't have to do that anymore. I got this app that makes the pictures look real professional. Check that out. It's like magic. Bam. And I'm doing this for all my pictures that I want to have the background white. When I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go to eBay and add all my photos. So that's what I'm about to show you. So for my beanie, there was no barcode, so I had to manually look up the item. So I put black Mario beanie, and I see similar comps, but I see like 1 or 2 listings of the same product. So I'm gonna go back up right now, and I'm gonna choose one of those listings that's similar. Well, right now I was in the sold listing, so let me go back to the regular listing real quick, the people that have it just for sale. And I'm gonna find the one that's similar. I'm gonna click on it, choose that one right there. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna look for sell one like this. I'm looking for sell one like this because everything's already inputted in for me, and I'm gonna piggyback off what everybody else put. So I'm in my listing on the eBay app. First thing, I want to add the photos real quick. So I'm gonna click all the PhotoRoom photos, and I have a few that aren't PhotoRoom. Those 2 right there, I'm gonna click those. So I have 6 photos, and there they go, they're loading. My first photo has the PhotoRoom watermark at the bottom. You could use the eBay background remover tool right there. Just kind of go above it. All right, apply, and it removed the watermark. Or on this picture, I'm gonna show you, you could just crop it out if you want. So those are 2 ways to do it. I showed you both, and you have a nice picture. Check that out. We're gonna do that to the other 2 photos real quick. Get rid of that, and get rid of that PhotoRoom watermark right there. We have a nice listing now, guys. Right here, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna rotate it to the left to center it, make it look nice. All right, that one's saving. Now the next one, I'm gonna crop it, kind of center it. Go ahead and save that. That looks better like that. Yep, like I said, we have a nice listing. On the item specifics, they have everything inputted in for us, so I don't have to add anything right there. I'm gonna go to description right there. You could always add a description. Me, I'm just gonna add free shipping, just so they see. You could always put brand new with tags, free shipping, whatever you feel like putting. Pricing, I'm gonna take it off auction, and I'm going to put buy it now. My buy it now price, I'm gonna put $21.99 and see how I do with that price. I like to allow offers just so people will want to buy from me, and they could always just offer me $1 lower and I'll probably take it. And shipping cost, I like doing free shipping. Some people don't. I've always done free shipping. I just add it all into the price, the total price, so I know I'm gonna make profit. And people like, it's like a psychology thing, people like listings with free shipping. But it's all up to you. I like to put right there, require immediate payment. Yes, I want them to pay me right away, so I always put that. And I'm gonna go ahead, go back up, look at my pictures, everything looks good. My title, I want to add in the word Nintendo. So if people look for Mario and Nintendo, I'm gonna go ahead and list my item. Done. Here's some of the hat pictures. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.